We're the girls from Cuckoo's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
And we're continuing our Super Bowl week. And today we're going to make a really fun buffalo chicken dip, Greekified. And it is a staple for Super Bowl.
Yeah, you've got to have
some kind of a buffalo chicken dip. And so that's what we're going to do today. So, Jackie, why don't you get started with what we're doing here?
So in here, I have some shredded chicken, and we picked up a rotisserie chicken to make it faster, and I just tossed it with some olive oil and lemon juice. And I'm gonna add some sea salt, oregano, Aleppo pepper, and garlic powder. Or you could also make your own chicken and then just lightly souvlaki it up.
Okay, while you mix that up, we're going to get started on part of our dip. So we're going to start with some Greek yogurt, and we're going to put this in our food processor.
And we like to use the thick Greek yogurt, not fat-free. We go for 2% or 5%. Has more flavor, and it's thicker, has more body.
Right. And we also have some crumpled feta cheese. And let's see. Here we have our scallions. And some olive oil. Okay, and now we're going to put that in our food processor. Get that all started up. Okay, and we're going to pulse this.
Okay, so we have this all mixed together.
Okay, let's get this
nice
out
and
here.
creamy.
Ooh, that looks good.
It does look, oh, that's perfect.
Okay. So let's get all this off, this goodness.
I'm going to hold this up so you can see what it looks like.
Get it off all the blades.
Yeah. You can see how nice and creamy that looks. Okay, so now we're going to put it in our heat-proof dish.
Because this is what we're going to bake it in.
Yeah, it's going in the oven.
Now, we originally thought a bowl, but why dirty
Mix
more
everything
things?
together and then put it in the oven.
Okay, and to this we're going to add our dill, our chopped fresh dill. So go ahead and add that in. Okay.
The recipe's on the blog, so all the details are right there.
Okay. And then to that we're going to add our buffalo sauce.
Okay.
That's
That's going to add the heat.
And color,
Okay, and
because we
color,
want
of
it to
course.
have a nice orangey color.
Mix that until it's all incorporated.
Okay, all right, so we got that nice and incorporated. And she's got this pretty orange color. And now we're going to add our chicken to this.
Lightly souvlakied chicken.
You got to have that Greek flavor, right?
I think. And of course, you could serve this now with some pita chips.
Or just regular corn chips.
It's Greek.
Whatever boats your float.
Boats your floats?
It's backwards, boats your float.
Okay, so that's all incorporated.
So this is going to go in the oven for a little bit, and it'll be ready to serve, and we'll have it with some pita chips.
And here it is out of the oven. Our buffalo chicken dip, Greek style.
See, it looks nice and crispy on
Yeah,
top.
see that? And that's what it should look like. And then we have just a bowl of our pita chips. And you could just plate it up in a bowl if you like, or leave it in your dish. There it is, kallioriksi.
Kallioriksi.